Okay, version 2.0. I actually decided to switch sides. Don't ask me, long story. I figured the other side where my solar generator sat, I can actually use those shelves, so I'm not really worried about it. But I decided to switch sides, and I'll show you why. Right here, if my head is here and I'm sleeping here, I really didn't have any idea how far out this sat. And I'm real sensitive when it comes to these things. I didn't want to hit it with my shoulder or put my back up against it. Or if my mattress is laying here and I go to flip it or whatever, I don't want to hit that jack and break it off or weaken it or whatever on that side in that solar generator. So I figure this side's actually better anyway. So yeah, this is where it's going to sit. And as you can see, this right here will be turned into a shelf. I got a piece of whatchamacallit for the front there that I'll be able to use for the shelf. So I'm pretty excited about that. My L brackets as usual, I'm going to polyurethane it and all that jazz. So that'll just be a simple shelf right there. Not worried. But I didn't like the idea of this hanging out right there. You know, if I hit that in the middle of the night, I don't want to break that off or anything like that. Not saying I would, but just one of those things in the back of my mind. I ran it the same way and it runs perfect. I just, like I said, I used some industrial duct tape for an extra cover, and I tied it in right there with a zip tie because I cut that safety belt off. And right there was real simple to attach it. Left the cord a little bit long, so yeah. Alright, well, I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for subscribing and watching. It's been a huge help.